Okay, we just finished on our last tutorial creating a complex figure that doesn't involve stacking blocks. Okay, so we called that a 226 and we created our second Google document called SKP2 and we placed that picture of our work with our 3D name on it. Okay, so we are now ready to begin a new drawing. So our next drawing would be going back to the classwork and going to, we're not going to use 25 because 25 is, if we open 25, 25 doesn't really have any complex drawing on it. I mean, it's the same thing. So we're going to do 24. So warm up 24, if you open that one, warm up 24 looks like this, and it doesn't really show an isometric grid. So we need to like analyze how to draw this drawing without showing the grids of the boxes. Okay, so let's first start a new drawing. We're gonna start new drawing, new, and make sure that you save this to your Google Drive SketchUp files, and the name of this file will be 2-24. Okay, and we'll click save. We won't need this lady, so we can actually delete that. Okay, I press delete on my keyboard. You can also use the erase tool over here. Okay, so I have a picture of warm-up 24 here, and if you look at this warm-up 24, this warm-up 24 really has this line over here. Okay, if I trace that line here and trace this corner down here, this intersection is where my blue line will be. Okay, and this one is actually 3 boxes from the bottom. So if I draw, if I draw a line, okay, this will be 3 boxes because this over here is 3 boxes. So that's 1, 2, and then 3. So if I do the same thing, okay, they will actually intersect here. So that's, this one is my blue. This is my blue axis over here. Okay, so we're gonna start here, or we can start here, but we have to go up 3 boxes first and then go to the left 2 boxes and then make that square. All right, so let's begin with that one. We'll put this away, and we're going to use our line tool. Okay, before that I need to switch to my southwest isometric. There you go. And then I'm going to do a line that goes up 3. So all I have to do is make sure that I am on the blue axis. You have to wait until it says blue axis before you type in. Okay, 3 boxes up is 9 feet. So 9 feet. I'm pressing on my keyboard. Press enter. There you go. And let's pan down here. Okay, and then from there I wanted to go 2 boxes. So if I look at my my drawing here, I'm now here, and I'm gonna go all the way to hit this point, and that's 2 boxes. Okay, because 1 box is that one, and this one's 2 boxes. 2 boxes is 6 feet. Okay, so make sure that when you're before you type in anything, that the line says green axis. Okay, so green axis, make sure it says green before you type in 6 feet. I'm typing on my keyboard again, 6 feet, press enter. Okay, now we're at this point, so now we can begin drawing the square. I will continue with the green axis and type in 3 feet, and then go down on the blue axis another 3 feet. Okay, I'm typing on my keyboard, go to the green axis again 3 feet, and then go up to the beginning. It should be blue, and there you go. That's what we have so far. We're gonna erase this line later. Now let's try to do this back edge over here. Okay, so for that back edge, I'm going to, let's put this down here. Let's reduce the size of this one. so it's not okay. So here, oh, I'm going to go my line again, and I'm going to do this line here. So I'm here. I'm gonna go on the red axis. That is total 9 feet. So I'm gonna go to the red axis. Make sure it's red. Don't just eyeball it like that. You make sure it says red on it. Okay, and then I'm gonna type in 9 feet. Okay, and then I'm gonna go on the green and then type in another 9 feet. Okay, now we're here at this point. Okay, so we're gonna do this square here, this square. We're gonna go and click that and type in 3 feet, and then go down on the blue and type in 3 feet. Go back on the red and type in 3 feet, and then you should be able to go up, onto with the blue axis, and make this face over here. Okay, now it's just a matter of clicking and making sure I do a line on the red that is 6 feet for 2 boxes, and then simply attach here. This must be green, otherwise if it's not green, then you did your drawing wrong. Okay, I won't need this line anymore, so I'm gonna use the erase tool. I'm gonna erase this line and this line here. Okay, and then I can now start doing the going from here to here, and that's only one box. So this one here is only one box, so that's gonna be 3 feet, and then go down 2 boxes on the blue. Okay, so 2 boxes is 6 feet. Okay, and then go to on the red 1 box, so 1 box is 3 feet, and then go up here on the blue. Must be blue, otherwise you did your drawing wrong. Okay, so that's this face. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll start from the bottom. From the bottom, green 3 feet, press enter. Go up on the blue 2 feet, press enter. Oh, I made a mistake. Not 2 feet, but 6 feet. 2 boxes is 6 feet. So I'm going to erase, click my line, click here, go up 6 feet, enter, and then click here. There you go. Okay, so now all I have to do is let's move this away. I'm going to use my orbit here and look at the other side. Okay, because this one has a line here, and that line will be 3 feet, and that line will connect up here. Whoop. So a little difficult to use with a trackpad because it's reversed. So I go up, and you're gonna match this corner. So don't click, simply point to that corner. Just point, wait for about 1 second, and then go back out. It should automatically detect that corner as you go straight up with the blue axis. So click now and then point, and then now you have that. Okay, I'm going to continue to close this corner here. So I'm going to click to here, up to here, and it closes it for me. Okay, I'm doing the same thing here. I will first do a line going back on the red 3 feet, and then I will go up and then point, but do not click, so it can remember that corner, and then I simply go and pull it down on a blue. Now it's click and then connect, and then connect this and that one. So now I basically have the what it looks like on the warm-up. Okay, so but the back side is not done yet. Okay, so all I have to do is simply click here, go on the green, point on that corner so it remembers it, pull back on the green, and then click, and then you can connect there, and then one last line is to connect here and there. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we just have to color it. All the planes facing the right must be yellow, so I'm going to click my paint. I'm going to get my yellow, and I'm going to click this. Okay, and I'm also going to click this line here, this face and that face. Okay, and then all the faces facing the left should be gray, so I'm going to click this gray, and I'm going to click this and that. Okay, and then the top one is already white, so we'll just leave it as white. Okay, so I am done drawing. I just have to return back to a southwest isometric. There you go. Close that, and then I'm going to put in my name again. So I'm going to click here, click text. Okay, I'm going to put in my last name, and then my first name, and then the height is a foot is okay, 6 inches thick is okay, so click OK, and then I'm gonna put that somewhere here on the floor, right? And then I'm good with that one. Click on the green. I will again take a screenshot and make sure I indicate make a screenshot of just the portion with my name on it. Go back to my SKP2, and on under warmup 24 I'm going to paste that, and I'm done with SKP2. What's my next warm-up? My next warm-up, if I go back to Google Classroom, I will do, and I'm 23. What does 23 look like? Okay, 23, we can't do 23 because it's the same thing. So we're going to close that 23 and check 22. And 22 is basically this one. Okay, so we're going to do 22 differently. Okay.